Good morning students. Welcome to your data structure lab using C. In the previous session we have started linked list and discussed the program to insert node at the beginning of the linked list. And in this video class I will discuss how to delete a node from a linked list. So let's start. We can delete a node from beginning and from the end and from in between in any node of the linked list. But in this video class I will discuss the program how to delete the first node from the single linked list. So this is the linked list, and if we want to delete the first node, not to delete this one, the first node, we have to break this link. Okay, means we have to make this link, the address part of the first node, to null, and the second node will be the head node. Okay, then this will free the memory and the list begin with the second node, and the second node will be the head node. So the program is as follows. First of all, we are creating the structure for node having int data and a pointer that will store the address. Here there is three functions: create list, that will create the list, linked list, then delete first node function that will delete the first node, and display list. Okay. So first of all, in main, enter the total number of node. It will ask the user to enter the number of node. Okay. Then create list will create the list with n node. Then it will display the list, data in the list. Okay, press 1 to delete. Then displayed list means it will display the list. Then press 1 to delete the first node. Then enter choice. Okay, if it is 1, then delete the first node. Delete first node function will be called. So in the main function we are using create list function, display list function, and delete first node functions. Means there are three functions in this program. Okay, after that, deleting the first node, again it will call the display list function to display the linked list. Then the create list function with int n. First of all, it will create a head node. The malloc function assign memory to the head node. Okay, if head equal to null, it will display unable to allocate memory. Else, it asks the data of the node 1. Okay, and save it in data, and in head data it will store the data, and in head address means head next portion is store null, means it is a single node that having data, and in address part it have null value. Okay, then temp equal to head means the head is named as temp. Okay, then from 2, this is the first node, head is the first node. Then from I equal to 2, I less than equal to n, I plus plus, means from it will create n node from second node. Okay, then new node allocate memory by malloc function allocate memory to new node. Then if new node equal to null, again it will print unable to allocate memory. Okay, else it asks the data to the user, and new node data equal to data means in new node data it will store the data, and in new node next means in the address part of the new node it will store null. Then the temp next means temp address part. Temp is the first node. Then the first node address part is linked with new node, means temp next equal to new node, and temp equal to temp next means the new node means it will go to the second node. Temp equal to temp next means it will go to the second node. So by this way, each time it will create a new node, then link with the temp node means with its previous node. Okay, and it will create the n node. After that, the delete first node. In delete first node, if head equal to node null, then it will display the link is already empty. Otherwise, in head, okay, to to delete equal to head means the head will name as to delete, and head equal to head next means head will position to the next node, means to the second node. Okay, then to the deleted data will be displayed. To delete data means the head data. To delete is the head data, first head data. It will display the data. Okay, then it will display first successfully deleted first node. Then it's come the display function, display list function. In display list function, first of all it check if head equal to null means the list is empty. Otherwise temp equal to head means from the head position it goes on displaying the data up to temp not equal to null. While temp not equal to null means the last node that contain null in the address part. Okay, from the head to null means from first node to last node it will display all the data. Okay, and move the first node is temp, then it will display temp data, then it will go to the temp next means to the next node. Okay, by this way it will display each node. So the output is like this. Here the total number of node is 5. Then it entered the value 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Okay, list is created. Data in the list. Okay, then press 1 to delete. Then user press 1. Then the deleted data, first data is 10. So deleted data is 10. Then the list is 20, 30, 40, 50. So this way the program will delete the first node. Actually, we can write program to delete last node, delete the specific node. Okay, so there are many programs to delete node of any position of the linked list. This is the program to delete first node. So let us run it and see. So open the C++, Turbo C++. This is the program, delete from the beginning. So first we have create a structure of node having int data and struct node next. This is the pointers to store the address. And the program had three functions: create list with int n, then delete first node and display list. Okay, and in main we are asking user to enter total number of node. It is stored the number of node in n. Then it will call create list function with n means it will create n number of node. Then it call display list to display the data of the linked list. Then it asks to delete the first node by entering 1, and if it is 1 then it will call delete first node functions. Then again it will, after deleting the node, it will again display the list. Okay, then the functions are like this. First is create list function with int n, and these are the pointer new node temp and some temporary variable like data and I. First of all, we are creating head node. First allocate memory to the head. Then if head equal to null, then it will print unable to allocate memory, else it asks data from the user. Then head data equal to data means we are assigning data to the head data, and head next means the address part will store null. Then head will be temp. Temp equal to head means we are naming head node as temp. Okay. Then from I equal to 2. This is the first node. Then the next node start from second node. So I equal to 2, I less than equal to n, I plus plus. It will create a new node and allocate memory to new node. If new node equals to null, then unable to allocate memory, else otherwise it accept data from the user, and new node data equal to data, and new node next means the address part of new node will be null. Okay, then the first node, that is temp. Temp next means temp address part will store the new node, means temp will link to the new node. Then temp equal to temp next, and temp next is the new node. Okay, means now the new node become the temp. Then again it will create a new node and link with temp, means link with the second node. Okay, so this way it will create node of the linked list and display singly linked list created successfully. After that, delete fast node function. In delete fast node, if first head equal to null, it will display list is already empty. Otherwise, toDelete equal to head means for the head is the first node and it is assigned as toDelete, and head will be head next means head will be point to the next node. Okay, head will be the second node. Then it will display the data of toDelete means the first node data. Then it free the memory of toDelete means free the memory of head node and display the message successfully deleted first node from list. Okay, this way it will delete the first node and display the entire list. The void display list. First of all, we are assigning a pointer temp. Then if head equal to null means the list is empty, it will print the list is empty. Else temp equal to head means first time the head is same as temp, and it will continue till temp not equal to null, means until temp will be null. Temp will be null in the last node where the node store null value in the address part. Okay, then it will display the data of temp means first time temp is head, it will display the head data. Then temp equal to temp next means it will move to the next node. This way it will display all the nodes data. So this is display the nodes of linked list. Okay, these are the three functions of this program. Means first it will create a list, then it call the display list to display all the data of the node. Then it will create the delete node. Delete node will delete the first node. Again it display the list. So let's compile it. Then run it. So let's the number of node is 3. Data is 10, 12, then 14. Okay, then the data list is created and data is 10, 12, 14. Press 1 to delete first node, then press 1. Okay, then the output is 12 and 14. Means the 10 is deleted. Okay, so this way we can delete the first node of the linked list. Okay, so write the program to delete the first node from the linked list. So thank you.